The third and the ninth terms of an arithmetic progression are 9 and negative 27 respectively. Let's go. The third, and the ninth term. The third term is what? 9. And the ninth term, which is still 9, is what? Negative 27. Okay? Find the fifth term. We are asked to determine the fifth term. How do we determine the fifth term? Please pay attention. To get the fifth term can be expressed mathematically as T5 equals to A plus 4D. I hope you know, because the general formula for the nth term of an arithmetic progression is what? Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. Do you know? So that means that when we have T5, when n is 5, I'm going to have T5 equals to A plus 5 minus 1 multiplied by D. Hence, T5 equals to A plus 5 minus 1 is 4, A plus 4D. That's why I got A plus 4D here. Now, if I want to write an expression for the third term will be what? T3. T3 equals to A plus 3 minus 1 multiplied by D. T3 equals to A plus what? 2D. Okay? So, that is the expression for the third term. And if I want to write the expression for the ninth term, I'm going to have the ninth term equals to A plus 9 minus 1 multiplied by D, because now n will becomes 9. Okay? So, I'm going to have T9 equals to A plus 8D, because 9 minus 1 will give me 8. Okay, so this is the expression for the ninth term, and this is the expression for the third term, while this is the expression for the fifth term. Now, looking at this, I cannot determine the fifth term without getting the value of the first term and the common difference. Hence, I will need to use what I was given. Okay, what is that? I was given that the third term is what? 9. So 9 equals to A plus 2D. Okay, because the third term is 9 here, I just replace the third term as 9. Are you getting it? So call this one equation 1. And from this T9, which is the ninth term, equals to negative 27. So negative 27 equals to A plus 8D. Okay, so we have two equations. Now, we can solve this equation easily using elimination method by subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So, put a bracket, put the subtraction sign, okay, to help you to understand the concept. Put a subtraction sign here. Now let us proceed. Please pay attention. 9 minus minus 27. 9 minus minus 27 equals to A minus A plus 2D minus 8D. Do you know what I did? 9 minus minus 27, I have it here. A minus A, I have it here. 2D or plus 2D minus plus 8. Okay, let me put it. Minus plus 8D. Minus plus 8D. Do you know what I'm doing? I'm subtracting the second equation from the first equation, okay? Now, pay attention. 9 minus minus 27, that is what? 9 plus 27. And 9 plus 27 is what? 36. So I'm going to have 36 equals to A minus A will give me 0, okay? So A have been eliminated, okay? Now, 2D minus, please pay attention. 2D minus plus 8D. Minus times plus is negative. So I'm going to have 2D minus 8D. That is what? Negative 6. So I'm going to have negative 6D, okay? To get the value of the D, which is the common difference, I'm going to have this over negative 6 and this over negative 6. So I'm going to have D is equals to, okay, let's write it beneath here. D equals to negative 6, okay? So having gotten the value of D as negative 6, I can easily get the value of A by substituting the value of D into any of these equations, okay? So let us make use of equation 1. Equation 1 is what? A plus A, and 9 equals to A plus 2D. So 9 equals to A plus 2 multiplied by D. D is what? Negative 6. So I'm going to have 2 multiplied by negative 6, okay? So I'm going to have 9 equals to A plus minus, A minus 12D, because plus 2 times negative 6, I'm going to have negative 12. So I'm going to have A minus 12, because D has become negative 6, okay? Please pay attention. To get the value of A, what do? Just take this negative 12 to the other side. So I'm going to have A, okay, 9 plus 12 equals to A. Is that not it? 9 plus 12 equals to A. So A equals to 9 plus 12 is what? That is 21, okay? So A equals to 21. Now, having gotten the value of A as 21 and D as negative 6, we can easily get the value of the fifth term. The fifth term is what? A plus 4D. So the fifth term equals to A, which is 21, plus 4d. Now d is what? Negative 6. So I'm going to have negative 6 here. So the fifth term equals to 21 minus negative plus 4. Please pay attention. Plus 4 times negative 6. That is what? Negative 24. Negative 24. Okay. The fifth term is equals to 21 minus 24 is what? Negative 3. Okay. So the fifth term is negative 3. The correct option to that question is option C. That is minus 3. Do you understand? Okay. I'm very sure you understand how I solve the question. See, let me tell you, in maths question, always pay attention to the details of the question. That is, the parameters that you are given in the question is very important, okay? Because that's what you are going to use to get the answer that you are looking for. Look here. When I was given T3 and T9, I wasn't given T5. Now, I discovered that if I want to get the fifth term, I need the value of A, and I need the value of A and D. So from what I was given, I calculate the value of A and D, then I substitute it into what I have here, A plus 4D. So I have 21 plus 4 multiplied negative 6. Then I got the value of the fifth term as negative 3. Do you understand? Okay, so let us proceed to the next question. If 2 log 1 minus root x all over root x base x equals to 0, find the value of x. Okay, how do we get the value of x? Okay,
to watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section. Okay, see you in the next class.